Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to melt your lace without using a ball cap. And besides that, I'm going to be installing the longest wig I have ever worn in my life, the longest hair I have ever worn in my life. So if you want to see these results, stay tuned. Make sure you leave a comment. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and leave a like. This is the wig that I previously showed you guys how to add more density and add more length. If you haven't seen it already, go ahead and check the video out before this one. It's directly before this one. I pretty much styled it, molded it, did everything to it. So all I'm going to be doing literally is just installing it. When I cut my lace, I like to go in zigzag motions. I don't really like to go straight across because going straight across gives it that wiggy, fake look. I want to go for a very natural look, and I'm also going to be doing minimal baby hair. I'm really not going to have much at all. I know there's some of you guys who don't like baby hair that much. I love baby hair personally, but I'm not going to do that much today, just for you guys. I've noticed that using the ball cap kind of makes your hair itch a little bit faster and a little bit more. Without the ball cap, it doesn't really make it itch that much. It's still going to itch, but it doesn't itch as much. That's just my personal preference and my personal opinion. And I realized that you really don't need the ball cap because I have a really big forehead, so I can bring the wig up above my hairline and I don't really need to protect anything because it's just skin there. Now, if I did have hair there, then I would be using the ball cap method. But if you have a big forehead like mine, you can go ahead and proceed without using the ball cap because it's just skin right there. It may be short little hairs, but nothing major. And another myth that I want to just put an end to: putting glue on your hair is not going to take your hair out. Let's just state that fact right there. What's going to take people's edges out if they don't know how to properly remove the lace? If they don't know how to properly remove the lace or the lace glue, you're going to just be tugging and boom, you're going to have no edges because you're just pulling and you don't even know what you're doing. So it doesn't even matter if I did put glue on my edges. Nothing would happen, like nothing. But it's literally very easy. You're just going to slide the wig back, put some layers of glue. I only used 2 layers today because I'm probably not going to keep this in that long. But usually I use 3 layers and it's very, very easy to use. This lace tint is very good. I use medium brown. You're either going to use the lace tint or the makeup. You're not going to use both because you don't need it. You don't need both. But like I said, you can go ahead and pin your lace back like you see me doing. Lay the glue down. Once it turns clear, it's okay for you to move on. Whether you need to lay another layer down or you need to put the lace down. And you're literally just going to bring the lace up into the glue and lay it down. Once you have the lace completely laid down into the glue, you're going to blow dry it on warm. Using the head wrap is very beneficial because you want that extra melt, you want that extra security, and you want it to just lay flawlessly. And right now what I'm going to be doing is just defining my part, sharpening it up, and making it look very, very neat. You're going to use an angled makeup brush, and you're going to take the same foundation that I show you guys, the Ruby Kiss Face Creator, and you're just going to take that angled brush, rub it in there, and make sure you just go in a straight line down the part.
You in here doing them videos again?
What videos?
Why are your pants off? Webcam videos you doing.
Sick.
These are my confessions. I mostly have dressed during my videos, but that's okay because, you know, I'm real cute behind the camera. Y'all don't be knowing what's going on. We just focusing on the hair. But this install is complete, and like I said, I wasn't really going to do that much baby hair, really. If you don't want any baby hair, you don't really have to have any. I just really did a few in that little corner right there just because I just have to have baby hair. Like, that's just my personal preference. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.